Welcome back to the journey to get the step van running. I spent a bunch of money at Rock Auto. By a bunch, I mean almost nothing because old cars are super easy and cheap. I got parts. And I'm going to throw these bad boys on, go through the ignition system pretty much. And we're going to get this running. I think it's actually going to run today, whether it be on starter fluid or, a miracle. I think it'll actually happen. So I already got the distributor, I already got the cam pushing out on the points. I got the points set up to where the brush that rubs up against the cam gear in the distributor So I've already got the points all set up. I've got the lobe in the distributor pushing at its highest point on the brush for the points. So the gap is all the way out and it's all good to go. That was interesting, but I got it done. It's all good. We can throw the new points on, gap those, see if it starts, throw the new wires on, see if it starts, throw the condenser on, see if it starts. I'm going to go through everything essentially, and I'm going to do it one part at a time to see what the culprit is. But if I was a gambling man, which I'm not, I would bet on the points. So we're going to throw those in really quick. And if you want to see how I did that, I'll put a little clip in right now. Oh. Huh. Okay. So that was kind of tricky, but I just used the fan to rotate the motor to get that cam, that lobe to be pushing at its highest point. So I'm going to unhook the points, throw the new points in, and we'll give her a whirl. I'm going to get the starter fluid too because I've got faith. So we're going to drop this in. Okay, just for testing purposes, I'm going to get this guy in here and run the old condenser to see if that was part of the issue or not. Ooh. Unless I bend it and break it. Keep that a little bit loose so we can adjust the points. So it's kind of guess and check. I just put 18 and 18 in, or the 18. And then I'm going to check to see if 20 will actually fit. 20 will fit, so that's still too big. Hi, buddy. Lincoln is here to say hello. Okay, 18. 18's in there, not bad. Alright, I'm going to tighten this guy up and throw everything back together, and we'll see if it actually starts. Let's see if there's any sort of a charge left. Oh. Every single time it's points. Every single time it's points. Holy shit. One and done. I got starter fluid. Let's let her rip. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna pull the line off of the fuel pump, the hard line that goes all the way to the tank, because I don't want to pull any, even though the tank sounds empty, like completely bone dry, I'm still gonna pull it just in case there's some stuff left over in the lines. I'd rather blow out the lines than have it go through the car without a filter, without being filtered. So I'm gonna pull this line, then I'm gonna shoot some starter fluid in this bad boy and try and get it to start. Ooh. I'm like on a different level right now of excitement. It's almost irritating. Oh, there's some exhaust leaks. That's all right. Yes! Yes! Oh my gosh! It was literally just the points. We could have done maintenance to this thing and driven it up on the trailer. Shit. Come on! It just backfired all over my hand. Holy shit. Yes. Okay, it wasn't running for that long, but I'm going to pull the valve cover and see if any oil has moved at all, because it sounds awful. Okay, let's pull this valve cover, see what's good. Or bad. I want to lose these screws actually, now that I think about it. Pull these out. There's some lines right there. A little bit of automotive archaeology here. Doesn't really look like there's a lot of fresh oil. There's definitely, no, there is. There's oil up here. No, we're good to go. Oh my gosh. It started. Okay, calm down. I'm fine. Everything's fine. Even though I really shouldn't, I'm going to get it all to move as is. Oh my gosh, I tried to start that easy. This is a little bit complicated. Just a little bit. Oh my gosh. Yes! It starts. It moves. Oh my gosh. What a Thanksgiving gift for me. This is so amazing. I am beyond stoked right now. I am at a loss for words. I'm so excited. Like it runs, it turns over. It's a little clickety clackety, but I bet with a good fuel source, I bet this thing would pull fuel. I really do. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Well guys, since it's Thanksgiving, this is going to be a little bit shorter video. I thought I'd put some time into this thing this morning and see if I could get it to run. And sure enough, points did it again. They did it on the F250 over there. They did it on this. Just replace your points and try and start it every time. I could not be more excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am ecstatic because that means that this thing, oh, by the way, you know, whatever. It ain't no big thing. Just wiggle the wire. Fix that. Yeah. I mean, I broke it. Just saying. Yes. Anyways, it's Thanksgiving. I'm going to go do what you're supposed to do on Thanksgiving, which is go spend time with family. I'm going to spend some time with my fiance and eat some fantastic dinner she's creating and some good friends, and not too many though, because you got to stay aware, wear your mask, do all that good stuff. So thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share this. If you share this, I will be forever grateful. And eventually, once I start getting stickers and stuff going, I'm going to do a deal where if you share, I'm going to send you a sticker or free whatever, just to help expand the channel, because this is the stuff I want to do, and there's nothing I love more than this. So yeah guys, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you aren't already subscribed, do all that good stuff, and I will catch you guys in the next video, where we make this thing run even better and hopefully for longer. Whew. Oh wait, I got a bit. I've got an idea. Okay. Yes, dude, yes. I bought all these parts over here, and I needed one $5 part. Whatever. I'm stoked. Take it easy, guys. See you in the next one. Jesus.